to the close. We did not do that yesterday. Let's get the early tick. Joining now, Tyler Vernon, Biltmore Capital Chief Investment Officer and the new face to CNBC. Also with us, Chris Hobart, CEO and founder of Hobart Financial Group. Chris?
Yes.
You'll go first. Is the storm clearing, or are we in up, down, who knows what it will do tomorrow?
Oh, boy, I'd love to tell you the storm was clearing, but I think that's a dream right now. You know, we're getting some good news on the home front, several good reports out yesterday. But unfortunately, the stuff going on in Europe right now, the solvency issues, the liquidity issues, even when we have some good news coming from that, we then get beat up a little bit by the rumors that China is going to be stopping their easy lending policies. So as we talk about all of this, I think we're still looking for significant volatility. I think the next couple of weeks, the next couple of months, and today, we're going to see some jumps up and down. And the average investor needs to be very careful right now.
Give us a range, what you think on the S&P, where's the downside risk, where's the upside potential?
Well, you know, the downside risk, if we're looking at consumer confidence right now or investor confidence, the people that we're talking to here in Charlotte, North Carolina, they're scared to death that we could see this really drop significantly. It would not surprise me if we did see a significant drop, potentially 500, 1,000 points, not short term, but potentially in the next month if all of this does not get resolved clean and clear very soon. On the upside, again, we've got good news, but I don't think it's good enough news that we're necessarily going to see a gigantic run-up in the market right now.
Tyler, the day chart, the opening session moves on the S&P 500 are fascinating. The way in which we've surged up to this resistance just above 1085 and immediately no further. The brakes absolutely put on the rally, and now we trade sideways. How do you think we can make money in this market?
Well, again, I think investors, as your previous guest just spoke about, we need to take advantage of this volatility. Investors need to think a little bit differently, I think, this time. We think that we are going to be in a range-bound market. Biltmore Capital Advisors actually runs a covered call option strategy for their high-net-worth investors. And I think if investors can pick up a 7 to 9% premium through covered call options and a 2 to 3% dividend, we can make money even if this market remains sideways. So, again, I think option strategies, especially in a volatile environment, are going to really be outperformers. But from a single stock perspective, the company RIG, it's got Transocean, got a lot of news about it right now. We picked some up in the mid-50s yesterday. And again, this thing has been blown out of the water with institutional investors not wanting the blood on their hands. So again, there's a lot of upside. Great company, high barriers of entry into this business. They just declared a dividend. We think there's a lot of upside there.
So you like to buy disasters?
Hey, I think when there's blood on the streets, it's time to buy. So okay. We would have been good buying in March, right?
All right, Tyler, Chris, thank you both very much.
Thank you.
Up next, we're crunching the data to find